Hi friends, welcome to Vijay Tech 360. In this video we are going to see about the EC2 storage options. So while launching any EC2 instance, so we will see fourth option as add storage. So here we will have this EBS. So let us see what is EBS first. Amazon EBS is nothing but Elastic Block Store, which is like a normal storage how you are using your hard disk. So this volume is durable, which means that you can save it for a long time, and it is of block level storage. And if you see the AWS S3, it's a object level storage, where Amazon EBS is a block level storage where you can install the softwares also and you can store the files also. So this EBS, you can attach it to the single EC2 instance. So if you want to attach a storage for a multiple instance, then we have various options. For example, you can go for EFS, which is also called as Elastic File System Store or Share, sorry. And these EBS volumes can be also used as a primary storage of data that requires frequent updates. So such as the system drive, like how you are using your C drive, D drive. So like that you can use this EBS volumes also, or you can use it as a storage for the database applications. These are the various storage options available in EC2. The first one will be the general purpose SSD, which is also called as a GP2, and it gives you the base performance and also the cost optimization, where the storage is very less and it is a SSD type, and it can be used as a boot volumes and small and medium sized databases, and you can use this for the development and test environments. So the next one will be the provisioned IOPS SSD. This is also called as IO1. These are a specific level, these all will have a specific level of IO operations, which is nothing but IOPS means input output per second, how many you are going to do input output operations per second. So it depends on that. So here we will have a specific level. Compared to the general purpose, it is okay, but it has a low latency and also high throughput. So it gives around 500 MB per second throughput. So the next one will be the throughput optimized HDD. So the above both are SSD, but when it comes to last three, we all have this as a magnetic, also called as HDD. So this provides you cost optimization. So the first priority while selecting this will be the cost optimization, and it is designed for a frequent access. So it is good for the how you are using your Amazon IMR. If you are using it for ETL processing or ETL testing or data warehouses like this and all, you can use a throughput optimized HDD. And when it comes to cold HDD, which is also called SC1, so the throughput optimized HDD is designed for frequent access, whereas the cold HDD is designed for the infrequent access. So the next one is magnetic, which previous generation we had used, like in our laptops, the HDD. So it also behaves like a same. So you can create over a file system on the top of the volumes, or you can use them in any other way. Would you see as a block device, like how you are using your hard drive, installing softwares and having a directories, and how you are using like a normal, you can use as a magnetic. And in compared to all, the magnetic is very cheaper. So this is how the storage options available in the EC2. Points that we need to consider here is the root. Always we can't encrypt it, and it will be by default, it will delete if you terminate this particular instance. And second thing, the volume type which we are going to use for root volume is general purpose, provisional and magnetic. So if you add a new volume, then we can see all the 5 options which are available. So if you see a general purpose, we will have an input output per second IOPS, or if you change it to provisional IOPS, then you have a chance to edit. You can go up to 3000. So if you go for magnetic, you don't have IOPS. So IOPS will be for SSD. So this is how it will work. So when you add a new EBS, so here if you should give an option like you want to delete it or not. If you want any encryption, so you need to select here.